Struggling writers often rush past planning. The plan strategy provides a structured 5-step process to ensure organized, thoughtful, informational, and expository writing. P stands for preview. Students start by thinking about the topic, audience, and goals. What do they know? Who are they writing for? Guiding question. What do I want them to learn or feel? L stands for list. Next, they list main ideas and details using a graphic organizer, like the frame sheet, to visually gather and structure their content. A stands for assign. Students then assign numbers to order their main ideas and details logically. This critical step ensures a smooth, sensible flow for the reader. N stands for note. It's time to note ideas in complete sentences. This means transforming bullet points into full paragraphs, remembering to use positive self-talk to overcome writer's block. S stands for search. Finally, they search for errors and correct them. This is a 2-step editing process. First, reading aloud for meaning and flow, then silently for mechanics, spelling, punctuation, grammar. Plans is effective because it encourages metacognition, or thinking about thinking, and transforms disorganized thoughts into organized, polished writing. Ready to give your students a comprehensive planning tool? Try Plans.